How to disable YouTube Shorts permanently on iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can disable YouTube Shorts permanently on iPhone. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first thing you'll need to do is open up your YouTube. Make sure that your account is, you have logged in into your account. And after you've done that, if you scroll down, you'll find the Shorts section right here. Now what you'll need to do is for each and every one of these shorts, on the top right side you will find the three dots. Tap on it and tap on not interested. Do that for each and every one of these shorts, and after you do that you can just tap on the three dots on the shorts whole section as well, and there you will see show fewer shorts. Tap on that and then your shorts will just disappear. Now on your bottom side you will still find the shorts section, but on your home page you will no longer be getting any more shorts. So that is how you can permanently disable YouTube Shorts on your iPhone, guys. Thanks for watching. That is all for the video. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye, take care.